How can I prevent crickets from coming into my house?
Hello everyone. In this video, we're tackling a very common problem that many homeowners face: crickets inside the house. Yes, you heard right. Crickets might be great musicians of the night, but we don't necessarily want them as roommates. Let's dive into some effective strategies to prevent crickets from coming into your house.
Why do crickets enter our homes?
Before we can effectively deal with crickets, it's important to understand why they are attracted to our homes in the first place. Crickets are drawn to warmth, moisture, and easily available food sources. Our homes often provide the perfect environment for them, especially during the colder months.
How can we make our homes less attractive to crickets?
Here, we'll go over some ways to make your home less inviting to crickets. Seal entrances. The first step is to seal up any cracks or openings in your home where crickets may be entering. Pay special attention to doors, windows, and the foundation. Reduce moisture. Crickets are attracted to moist environments. Try using a dehumidifier to reduce the level of humidity in your home, especially in areas like basements and bathrooms. Clean up. Crickets might be attracted to leftover food or trash. Maintain a clean house and dispose of trash regularly to deter them. Lighting. Crickets are attracted to bright lights. Switch to yellow lights or sodium vapor lamps, which are less attractive to crickets.
What if crickets are already inside?
Even with prevention, sometimes a few crickets might find their way into your home. Here's how to deal with them. Traps. Cricket traps or sticky traps can be very effective in capturing crickets already inside your home. Place them in areas where you've noticed cricket activity. Diatomaceous earth. This is a natural powder made from tiny fossilized aquatic organisms. It's non-toxic for humans and pets but lethal for crickets. Spread it around potential entry points. Pest control professionals. If the infestation gets out of control, don't hesitate to contact a pest control professional. They have the experience and tools to effectively eradicate a cricket problem. Well, that wraps up our guide on how to prevent crickets from invading your home. Remember, the key is to make your home unattractive to them and seal potential entry points. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to seek professional help. I hope you found this video useful, and here's to a cricket-free home.